Top 10 crafts for 4-year-olds, unleashing creativity and fun. The development of a child's creativity, inventiveness, and fine motor abilities is greatly aided by crafts. Age-appropriate crafts can be a fun way for 4-year-olds to express themselves and learn about the world around them. This video offers 10 entertaining crafts that are simple to complete and are ideal for 4-year-olds. These crafts will inspire children's imagination and provide them hours of fun. Number 10. Finger painting fun. An age-old craft that never goes out of style is finger painting. It enables 4-year-olds to use their small fingers to explore various colors, textures, and patterns. Give them huge sheets of paper and non-toxic, washable finger paints and watch as they create vibrant works of art. The squishy feel of the paint between their fingers aids with sensory development, and being able to express themselves freely builds confidence. Additionally, finger painting promotes the growth of finger strength and hand-eye coordination, laying the foundation for future writing abilities. Materials required: 1. Non-toxic finger paints. 2. Painting surface. 3. Apron or old clothes. 4. Paper towels or wet wipes. 5. Paint trays or paper plates. Sticks. Mixing tools optional. Number 9. Collage animals. Olds to cut out animal shapes from magazines or craft paper and arrange them into charming collages. They learn animal recognition skills, and their creativity is stimulated by this activity. Encourage kids to add finishing touches to their collages, such as eyes, ears, and tails, to help them develop their fine motor skills and attention to detail. Materials required: 1. You'll need the following to make collage animals. 2 magazines or craft paper that features vibrant animal graphics. 3. For cutting and pasting, use scissors and glue sticks. 4. As a foundation for the collage, use cardboard or construction paper. 5. Crayons or markers for adding accents and details. Number 8. Paper plate masks. Making paper plate masks is a simple hobby that lets kids use their imagination. Children begin by choosing the animal or character they wish to transform into and picking the proper paper plate size for their face. They can color the plate to match the character's or animal's traits using markers, crayons, or paint. They then meticulously carve out any other desired shapes on the plate, including eye holes. They might use construction paper or cloth to create ears or a mane to a lion mask, for instance. Then kids can tape or use glue to adhere these extra embellishments. Once the mask is finished, it can be worn comfortably by tying elastic string or ribbons to the sides of the plate. Materials required. What you'll need to make paper plate masks is: 1. Paper plates, ideally the robust, uncoated kind. 2. Paint, crayons, or markers can be used to decorate the masks. 3. Scissors to carve out shapes like eye holes. 4. Use glue or tape to secure extra ornaments such as feathers or pom-poms. 5. The mask should be fastened to the child's face with elastic string or ribbon. Number 7. Paper plate flower garden. Making a paper plate flower garden is a fun, educational hobby that lets kids express their creativity while learning about gardening and nature. Children of all ages will enjoy and learn from this straightforward project that combines the charm of paper plates with the beauty of vibrant flowers. Resources required. You'll need the following to make a paper plate flower garden. 1. Paper plates, ideally big, robust ones. 2. Paint, crayons, or markers can be used to decorate the flowers and garden. 3. For the stems, use green cardstock or craft paper. 4. Scissors for removing the flower stalks and leaves. 5. The flowers should be put together and attached to the stems using glue or tape. Number 6. Nature collage. With the help of a range of natural materials, youngsters may explore their environment while making a nature collage. Kids can collect a variety of leaves in all shapes and colors, vivid flowers, different sized feathers, and tiny rocks or pebbles while on a nature walk or other outdoor experience. Inventories required. What you will need to make at nature collage is: a variety of organic elements including pine cones, feathers, leaves, flowers, and small rocks. Use durable paper or cardstock as the collage's foundation. For securing the organic elements to the paper, use glue or Mod Podge. Scissors, if necessary, for trimming and cutting the materials. Markers or crayons are optional for including more touches in the collage. Number 5. Rainbow Bubble Wrap Stomp. A fun aspect of the Rainbow Bubble Wrap Stomp is getting ready for it. In a roomy outdoor area, spread out several huge pieces of white paper or canvas. Ensure that the bubble wrap completely covers the paper or canvas before taping it down to the ground. Drops of non-toxic, washable paint in a variety of rainbow colors should next be applied to the bubble wrap. The colors can be arranged in patterns or randomly, depending on the preference of the child. Resources required. You'll need the following to enjoy the Rainbow Bubble Wrap Stomp. Sheets of bubble wrap big enough for children to walk on. Washable, non-toxic paints in a spectrum of hues. large canvases, or sheets of white paper. Number 4. DIY Play-Doh. DIY Play-Doh is a time-honored and entertaining pastime that kids have enjoyed for ages. Making Play-Doh at home is enjoyable and gives you the chance to cater the colors, fragrances, and textures to the tastes of your child. This article will examine a straightforward and simple homemade Play-Doh recipe and explain the advantages it has for your child's growth and creativity. Supplies required: 1 universal flour, 2 salt, 3 coconut oil vegetable tartar, 4 food coloring in a variety of hues, 5 balls for mixing water, sticks, use a spoon or a whisk to stir, 7 airtight storage containers. Number 3. Cardboard box creations. For kids, cardboard boxes, which are frequently thought of as nothing more than shipping materials, may open up a world of creativity and imagination. Kids may turn common cardboard boxes into spectacular sculptures with just a few inexpensive materials and a lot of imagination. We'll explore the fantastic world of cardboard box crafts in this post and see how this straightforward hobby may inspire your child's imagination and provide hours of entertainment. Supplies required: 1 cardboard boxes in a range of dimensions and forms. 2 crafting materials such as scissors, glue, tape, markers, and paint. 3 materials that can be recycled, such as egg cartons, paper tubes, and bottle caps. 4 safety equipment where required, such as child-safe scissors. Number 2. Sponge painting. Kids of all ages will love the enjoyable and simple art activity of sponge painting. Children may explore their imagination and produce stunning works of art using sponges as their painting utensils thanks to this straightforward but thrilling technique. In this post, we'll delve into the sponge painting world, examine its advantages, and offer a step-by-step tutorial to help your kids get started on this creatively stimulating and enjoyable adventure. Supplies required: 1 various sizes and textures, sponges. 2 various shades of washable paint. 3 canvas or paper. 4 palettes or plates for water and paint. 5 to avoid being splashed with paint, an apron or old clothes. Sticks or drop cloth or newspaper to cover the workplace. Number 1. Popsicle stick puppets. Making puppets out of popsicle sticks is a time-honored and entertaining project that youngsters adore. Children may make their own puppets using only a few basic materials, allowing their creativity to take the lead while they play imaginative games and tell stories. The amazing world of popsicle stick puppets, their advantages, and a step-by-step tutorial for making these endearing characters will all be covered in this article. Supplies required: 1 craft sticks, commonly referred to as popsicle sticks. 2 foam or colored paper for crafts. 3 crayons, colored pencils, or markers. 4 scissors. 5 tape or glue sticks. Hoofy eyes are an option. 7 any extra embellishments, stickers, sequins, yarn, etc. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.